How to make money using ChatGPT. Making money with ChatGPT can be an exciting and profitable venture, but it's important to understand that there are various avenues to explore and success is very possible but not guaranteed. In this video, we will delve into the strategies and opportunities for making money with ChatGPT. But before we begin, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so you stay updated on all our latest videos. Now, let's get into this money mindset. Today, we're going to share different ways how you can make money with ChatGPT. First, we have content generation and copywriting. One of the most promising ways to make money with ChatGPT is by offering content generation and copywriting services. Businesses and individuals constantly need high-quality content for their websites, blogs, social media, and more. ChatGPT can assist in generating articles, product descriptions, and ad copy. You can market these services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or through your own website. And number 2, develop chatbots and customer support. ChatGPT can be used to develop chatbots for businesses. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular for handling customer support inquiries, booking appointments, and providing information. Companies are willing to pay for well-designed and efficient chatbots that can reduce their customer service costs and enhance user experience. Number 3, educational content. With ChatGPT's ability to provide answers and explanations, it can be used to create educational content. You can produce courses, ebooks, or tutorials in various domains, such as science, technology, or self-help. These materials can be sold on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even self-hosted websites. Number 4, translation services. ChatGPT can assist with translation tasks. If you're multilingual, you can offer translation services for documents, websites, or conversations. Translation work is often in high demand, and ChatGPT can help streamline the process. Number 5, proofreading and editing. ChatGPT can be employed to enhance proofreading and editing services. It can quickly analyze text for grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. You can offer these services on freelancing platforms targeting bloggers, authors, and businesses seeking high-quality content. Number 6, writing assistance for authors. Authors can benefit from ChatGPT's help in generating ideas, character developments, and even co-writing. Ghostwriting is a lucrative avenue where ChatGPT can assist in creating compelling narratives and well-structured content. Number 7, market research and data analysis. Businesses require market research and data analysis to make informed decisions. ChatGPT can help with data collection, analysis, and reporting. You can offer these services to companies looking for insights and trends in their industry. And number 8, social media management. Managing social media accounts is another potential income stream. ChatGPT can assist in creating engaging social media posts and interacting with followers. You can offer these services to individuals and businesses looking to boost their online presence. And number 9, coding and programming assistance. For those well-versed in programming, ChatGPT can be used to help with code-related tasks. Whether it's debugging, code suggestions, or explaining concepts, you can offer programming assistance to clients seeking to develop software or applications. And number 10, niche ChatGPT apps. Developing specialized ChatGPT applications tailored to specific industries or professions can be a unique way to monetize the technology. For instance, you can create a legal chatbot to assist lawyers with legal research or a medical chatbot for healthcare professionals. And number 11, content monetization. You can create your own content platforms or websites where ChatGPT generated content is monetized through ads, subscriptions, or pay-per-view models. With a steady flow of quality content, you can attract a substantial audience and generate revenue. Number 12, ChatGPT tutoring. Tutoring and education are areas where ChatGPT can shine. You can offer personalized tutoring services in various subjects using ChatGPT to provide explanations, answer questions, and assist students in their learning journey. And number 13, ChatGPT plugins and tools. If you have programming skills, you can create plugins or tools that integrate with ChatGPT into existing platforms or applications. These tools can serve a wide range of purposes, from content generation to personal assistance. Number 14, subscription services. Offer premium subscription services where users pay for exclusive access to ChatGPT for specialized assistance, content generation, or personalized advice. This approach can build a recurring revenue stream. And lastly, number 15, voice assistants. Incorporate ChatGPT into voice assistants for chatbots, enabling users to interact with the technology through voice commands. This can find applications in virtual personal assistants or customer service. In conclusion, there are numerous opportunities to make money with ChatGPT. Whether you choose content generation, chatbots, education, or any of the other avenues mentioned, success will depend on your skills, marketing efforts, and the quality of your services or products. So staying up to date with the latest trends and applications of ChatGPT is essential for long-term success in this field. With creativity and dedication, making money with ChatGPT can be a rewarding and sustainable endeavor. And there you have it, 15 ways to make money using ChatGPT. I hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our videos, and leave a comment below to let us know what topics you'd like us to explore next. And until next time, stay in the money mindset. We'll talk soon.